So we're staying in the Demo 14 project, in the Demo 10 drawing, in the schematic subfolder there. And what we're going to look at now are rotating our connectors as well. Again, you can do this via the ribbon or the mouse. So let's go up to the schematic tab on the ribbon, edit components panel, this flyout here, and you want to rotate connector. So you click on it and come into the drawing area. Now you'll notice you've got select connector to rotate or hold. Now we'll look at hold in a moment. What I'm going to do is select the connector here like so, and it just rotates it. If I click again, rotates it again. If I click again, rotates it again, and one more time, and it brings it back to the vertical where we started. So you can see there that the default angle that it rotates through is obviously 90 degrees each time. Let me zoom out and go through that one more time. So I click there, that rotates it that way, that way, that way, and then click again that way. And then I press enter or escape to finish. Now, what's this hold option? What does that do? Well, let's go through that one more time, but this time we'll use the right click on the mouse. So I'll select the component again, right click, rotate connector. And then I've got this hold option. So if I right click again and select hold, it says hold attributes at original orientation, yes or no. If I say yes to that, and then select the connector to rotate, it holds them in the original position each time I click. So they hold in the original position on the connector. So let's press enter or escape to cancel that, and let's do that one more time. So I'll select the component, right click, rotate connector on the shortcut menu, and I select the connector to rotate or hold. So I right click, select hold. Notice the default is yes. So if I say no now, and then rotate the connector, watch what happens. Can you see how everything is in place? It stays on the connector this time. So it's rotating with the connector. So when you say no, it maintains the original positions as you rotate through. Let me just hit enter and take you through that one more time. It's a little bit of a weird concept to grasp. I select the component, I right click and rotate connector. So then I do a right click and hold, and this time I'll say yes, hold attributes at original orientation. So if I say yes to that, you'll notice all of the attributes are horizontal, PJ001 and the 4 pins, 01 through 04. So if I rotate, watch the orientation of the text. It all stays horizontal. If I do it again, horizontal, do it again, horizontal, do it again, horizontal, enter to finish. Do it one more time where it says no to the hold, and you'll see what I mean. So I select it again, right click, rotate connector, right click, hold, and this time I'll say no. Select the connector to rotate. It actually rotates with the connector. So the justification of the text then follows the connector when you say no. So I'll just rotate that through each time again, 1, 2, and 3, and we're back to where we were before. So remember that yes and no when you're rotating your connectors. It can be really useful for the attributes because sometimes you might want to maintain that orientation. Other times you might not. So that hold option allows you to either maintain the orientation or not, as the case may be.